Hi, I am from Group 2. I would like to present about fishbone diagram, which is workshop 2 on healthy eating and nutrition education apps for primary school. First of all, I would like to introduce my group member, which is Muhammad Nazir Mubin, Abdul Hakim bin Itin, Khairul Ikhwan, and Muhammad Fahim Saadan. So first of all, I would like to talk about introduction, which is primary school students struggle to maintain healthy eating habits due to picky eating, preference for junk food, irregular meals, routine, and lack of engaging nutrition education. This fishbone diagram analysis identifies the root cause across people, process, technology, environment, and material to help guide the development of an effective solution.
Assalamualaikum, and I'm Muhammad Fahim Saadan, and now I want to explain about fishbone diagram about inactive healthy eating and nutrition education among primary school students. Right. First, parents and teachers. The point is lack of guardians. Second, limited monitoring. Or low encouragement, and last, different home or school environment. We go to point number 2 is app features. First, boring interface. Second, lack of gamification. Third, no reward system, and last, limited interaction. So next, eating habit or an environment. First, prefer snack and junk food. Second, peer influence. Third, fast food exposed. And last, limited healthy food choice. And last, in fishbone diagram is food environment. Fast food, snob family, and friend influence. Primary school student eating habit. Alright, that's all. Major point in fishbone diagram. Alright, thank you.
Alright, look at this slide, which is people, parents, and teacher. So first point is lack of guidance from parents. Children may not know how to choose healthy food without adult support. And the second is limited monitoring. Without supervision, children may spend less time on educational apps or lose interest. And the third one is low encourage healthy eating, which is children are more motivated when parent and teacher praise or support them. And the last one is different home and school environment. Healthy eating habits are stronger when both home and school promote a good nutrition.
Alright, now go to app features. And first, about boring interface. The app's design may be unattractive in two colors, too much text, or limited visual elements. Primary school students usually prefer colorful animation and engaging content. Second, lack of gamification. Gamification means adding game-like features into learning. Some nutrition apps only provide reading material or quizzing without fun activity. And third, no reward system. Children are often motivated by reward. If an app does not give recognition after completing activity, students may feel less motivated. And last, limited interaction. The apps may not allow students to actively participate in learning. It's only reading or watching content, few quizzing or interactive activity, and last, no voice, touch, drag and drop or feedback features. Alright, that's all about apps features. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Muhammad Nazir Mubin bin Ahmad Shukri. Today I would like to present about eating habits and environment among primary school students. Eating habits are important because they affect children's health, growth and learning ability. However, many primary school students have unhealthy eating habits. For example, they often skip breakfast, eat too much junk food and drink sugary drinks instead of water. Some children also eat meals at irregular times because of busy schedule or too much screen time. One of the main factors that influence eating habits is the environment at home. Parents may prepare fast food or quick meals because they are busy working without proper guidance. Without proper guidance, children may not know how to choose healthy food. In school, students are also influenced by their friends. If their friends eat snack and junk food, they may follow the same habit. In addition, food environments such as fast food restaurants, snack and sugary drinks make unhealthy food more attractive and easier to get. Children are often exposed to burger, fried chicken, chips, candy and soft drinks. As a result, they may prefer unhealthy food instead of balanced meals and vegetables such as food and protein. To solve this problem, parents, teachers and schools should encourage healthy eating habits from a young age. Children should be taught the importance of balanced meal and regular eating routines. Interactive and fun learning methods can also help students and become more interested in nutrition education. In conclusion, eating habits and environment play an important role in children's health. By promoting healthy food choice and positive habits, we can help primary school students live healthier and happier life. That's all from me. Thanks.
Continue my parts. Health eating and nutrition education app for primary school students. Environment refer to the surrounding and condition that influence the eating habit and lifestyle of primary school student. A child environment plays an important role in determining what they choose, health or unhealthy food. Fast food fast food restaurant, for example, burger, fried chicken, french fries, pizza. Fast food is easily available, quick to prepare and taste good. Therefore, students are more likely to choose fast food instead of healthy meals. Excessive fast food consumption can lead to obesity and other health problems. Second, snack junk food. For example, chip, candy, chocolate, cricket. Snacks are usually high in sugar, salt, and fat, but low in nutrition. Students are often eat snack while watching television or using smartphone. Third, sugar drink. For example, soft drink, sweet tea, chocolate drink. Sugar drink contain high amount of sugar. Excessive consumption may cause decreased weight gains and diabetes.
In conclusion, based on our analysis, we found that the main issue among primary school students is their unhealthy eating habits and poor nutrition management. The problem is influenced by several factors. Firstly, in terms of process and routine, many students have irregular meals times, often skip meals, and do not follow proper daily eating schedule. This leads to inconsistent nutrition intake. Secondly, from the environment and eating habits, students are easily influenced by their peers and tend to prefer snacks and fast food rather than healthy meals. The availability of junk food also make it harder for them to choose nutritious options. Thirdly, regarding parents and teachers, there is some limited supervision and guidance. Busy schedule also make it difficult to consistently monitor your children eating habit and provide good environment. Lastly, in terms of technology and learning tools, current nutrition education methods are often boring and not interactive. There is a lack of engaging features such as rewards, game, and monitoring system that can attract children's attention. Therefore, we conclude that children need a more engaging and interactive solution to help them develop a better eating habits. A well-designed nutrition education app can play an important role in making healthy eating more fun, simple, and consistent for primary school students.